Hi, I'm Marcos with Gator Bait Wakeboard School, and today we just put in a new ezThrottle, and it went really well. It's pretty simple. There's just one screw on the bottom and one screw here in the front, and then there's one electrical plug for it. And now it lights up, and I've got full rotation here when I want to use my thruster, so I don't have to push a button. The rotating knob is a lot more user-friendly, so we really enjoy it. And we use the thruster pretty much all day with our lessons, so we get quite a bit of use out of it. So we use the ezThrusters on all of our boats, and I can't say enough good things about it. They're fantastic. We've been using them for a couple years now, and they've really helped us when we give our lessons. When it's windy, we can maneuver the boat. It's easier to park. The marina that we're in is pretty tight, so it helps us a lot with maneuvering. So if anybody's on the fence about getting a thruster or not a thruster or whatever, I say go for it. It's been great for us.